What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best smart TVs to buy right now. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Hisense A7G QLED TV is a remarkable ultra-high definition 4K television that delivers an exceptional viewing experience. With its wide color gamut and quantum dot technology, the A7G produces pure and natural colors, offering over 1 billion shades for vivid and lifelike visuals. One of the standout features of the Hisense A7G is its AI picture optimization technology. This advanced technology analyzes each frame in real time and optimizes the image quality settings based on the specific requirements of the scene. Whether you're watching movies, series, or sports competitions, AI picture optimization ensures that you enjoy an enhanced and immersive viewing experience. The fusion of Dolby Vision HDR and Dolby Atmos further elevates the cinematic experience provided by the A7G. With high-definition visuals and immersive sound, this TV brings the thrill of the theater right into your living room. The Hisense A7G also caters to specific preferences with its specialized modes. The sports mode automatically switches the TV to provide a live stadium experience, while the game mode offers low-latency gaming presets for fast-paced and competitive gaming with quick reactions. To ensure clear and smooth movement in every scene, the A7G is equipped with smooth motion technology, reducing motion blur and delivering bright and clear visuals. In terms of connectivity, the Hisense A7G offers multiple options including HDMI ports, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. This allows you to easily connect external devices and enjoy a wide variety of content. Overall, the Hisense A7G QLED TV combines cutting-edge technologies, stunning visuals, immersive sound, and versatile connectivity options, making it an excellent choice for those seeking an exceptional home entertainment experience. The Vizio V Series is a great option for those who want premium picture quality without breaking the bank. The TV boasts a combination of 4K Ultra HD, full array backlighting, Dolby Vision HDR, and active pixel tuning for enhanced brightness at the pixel level, providing remarkable picture performance. The iQ Active processor fine-tunes individual pixels intelligently, reducing noise and enhancing fine detail, ensuring viewers can see the details within the details. The V gaming engine in this TV takes console gaming to a whole other level. With its auto game mode and ultra-low input lag, it provides incredible speed and responsiveness, giving gamers the edge they need over their competition. The TV also comes with Dolby Atmos and DTS:X support, ensuring exceptional sound quality. Vizio's SmartCast platform has support for top-tier streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, YouTube, and Prime Video, making it easier than ever for viewers to stream their favorite content. Additionally, WatchFree+ on SmartCast offers hundreds of channels of live TV, including news, sports, movies, TV shows, and more across an ever-expanding catalog, all without any subscriptions, logins, or fees required. The V Series also comes with an all-new voice remote that makes voice controls instantly accessible, allowing users to quickly find what to watch or control their SmartCast TV. Apple AirPlay 2 and Chromecast are built into the TV, allowing users to effortlessly stream, share, and mirror their favorite content and personal memories from their mobile devices or computers. Users can even control their V Series with their favorite voice assistants, including Siri, Google Assistant, and Alexa. With this feature, users can check on their front door camera or control the lights and TV with a single voice command. Overall, the Vizio V Series is a great choice for those who want an unparalleled entertainment experience at an affordable price. The TV comes with extraordinary picture quality, next-level gaming, and an award-winning SmartCast, making it a best-in-class 4K streaming experience. The Sony X900H series is a premium television that boasts a variety of features to provide a stunning viewing experience. The TV is equipped with the 4K HDR processor X1 that offers premium 4K pictures, rich with real-world detail and texture. Furthermore, the TV has the ability to upscale everything you watch to near 4K with the 4K X Reality Pro. The Triluminous display allows users to see exactly what the creator intended with advanced color and gradation. Additionally, the full-array LED with local dimming provides brighter highlights and detailed dark scenes along with realistic contrast enhanced by extended dynamic range. The TV also features a dedicated game mode that allows gamers to take their PlayStation experience to the next level, providing a smoother and more responsive gaming experience. The TV also supports HDMI 2.1, which allows for reduced input lag, increased frame rate, and ultra-smooth motion, perfect for next-gen gaming consoles. Moreover, the TV features a smart Android TV with Google Assistant, which allows users to control their TV and smart home devices with their voice. The TV also works with Alexa and Apple AirPlay 2 and HomeKit support, seamlessly integrating users' iPhone and Siri devices with their Sony TV for effortless smart home management and content streaming. Finally, the Sony X900H offers bright and clear motion with X-Motion Clarity technology. The TV is also Netflix calibrated and supports Dolby Vision, providing an immersive and engaging cinematic experience.